Hi everyone, this is Chris Nisha and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an absolute massive double feature update on two of our favorite stars who continue to completely dominate the entertainment scene. And yes, I am talking about the iconic Shen Yu and the absolutely unstoppable Dylan Wang. We have fresh, highly talked about updates straight from the fans and official brand drops that you do not want to miss. Shen Yu is currently making major waves for her big screen presence, proving once again why she is a powerhouse of charm. While Dylan Wang is out there, bringing pure magic to a massive global brand collaboration. So grab your snacks, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications because we are diving deep into everything that has been happening over the last 24 hours. Shen Yu's hilarious cameo and big screen praise. First up, let's talk about our talented girl, Shen Yu. Fans have been absolutely buzzing on social media following early screenings and reports from passersby who caught her latest big screen project. If you take a look at the image, a popular fan account shared a compilation of reviews from people who just saw her cameo appearance as Wang Yui in the upcoming film, The Decisive Moment. And let me tell you, the praise is coming in hot. One passerby noted that Shen Yu's cameo was absolutely hilarious. She reportedly appears right at the beginning, the first half, and then again at the very end, playing what they describe as a fierce girl. The reviewer explicitly stated, I realized that Shen Yu could try more movies. The big screen quality was so comfortable to watch. Her performance was energetic, and there were parts in the middle that made me laugh. Now look at the stunning stills featured in the set images. She is rocking this beautiful classic 1970s look with twin braids and a crisp white blouse. Her expressions are so vivid and full of life. It is no wonder audiences are saying her big screen visuals are comfortable and naturally engaging to watch. But it gets even better. C-drama fans are losing it over her on-screen chemistry. So, early viewers are pointing out that Shen Yu fits the 1970s vibe perfectly and shared an incredibly natural chemistry with co-star Wu Lei. Both of them are being praised for feeling remarkably real and full of life. Another reviewer shared their raw thoughts, stating that while Shen Yu does not have an overwhelming amount of scenes due to it being a cameo, she acts incredibly well and is exceptionally lively. Her interactions with Wule are apparently the main focus of her segments, contributing several laugh out loud moments. They even teased that one specific scene had the entire audience in stitches. We can see a glimpse of this pairing in this image, showcasing her bright youthful expression contrasted with the intense, focused look of her co-star. And the comments are flooded with love, with fans saying that seeing this positive feedback completely puts their minds at ease and that this movie is destined to be a massive hit. Dylan Wang's Magical Disney and Pepsi take over. Now let's pivot over to the man of the hour, Dylan Wang or Wang Hedi. If you thought he was busy enough shooting intense nights scenes in Hengdian, which fans are wrapping up in the coming weeks, he just dropped a massive brand collaboration that is giving us ultimate main character energy. Dylan Wang has officially teamed up with Pepsi for a very special event, the Shanghai Disneyland 10-year anniversary commemorative Pepsi collectible cans. In the promotional video clip previewed in the post, Dylan looks effortlessly cool in a white tee, black vest, and sleek styling, holding up the limited edition can. But the real showstopper is the official promotional poster. Just look at this imagery. Dylan is front and center, looking incredibly handsome and confident, surrounded by the absolute icons themselves: Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, Chip, and Dale, all dressed up in their dazzling, sparkly blue and gold 10th anniversary castle attire. The background features the beautiful lit-up Disney castle under a sky of spectacular fireworks. Down at the bottom, you can see the gorgeous collectible cans featuring Mickey Mouse and the distinct Shanghai Disneyland 10th anniversary logo alongside the classic Pepsi branding. It is bright, it is magical, and it perfectly suits Dylan's energetic, charismatic star power. Fans are already scrambling to figure out how to get their hands on these collectible cans because honestly, who would not want this on their shelf? What an incredible time to be a fan. We get to see Shen Yu earning massive respect from general audiences and passers-by for her stellar, hilarious acting chops on the big screen, proving she can take on any era or character flavor. At the same time, Dylan Wang continues to secure the biggest brand deals, blending pop culture and pure magic seamlessly. But now I want to hear from all of you. Are you excited to see Shen Yu's fierce and funny cameo in the decisive moment? What do you think about her pairing with Wu Lei, and who is currently trying to find a way to import those limited edition Dylan Wang Disney Pepsi cans? Drop your thoughts, love, and hype in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the update, share it with your fellow drama fans, and subscribe for a daily dose of entertainment news. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy, and keep supporting our stars. Bye, guys!